Hey, how's it going? In this video, I am trying to train GPT-J to analyze a paragraph of information and turn it into a short subject line for email marketing. So imagine you've got a new blog article and you want to send it to your subscriber list, but you want a nice, short, snappy subject line. You could feed in a paragraph of information and GPT-J will write a decent subject line for you. So I've been training this. It kind of works, kind of doesn't, but I just wanted to do something on the fly. So the prompt here is this. You analyze the following paragraph and turn it into an incredible short subject line for email marketing users. Nice and clear. Hopefully GPT-J can understand this. So you start off by putting an input. So I'm going to slightly edit this on the fly. Just for live examples, really. It's great looking at glossy videos of like polished stuff, but it's quite good to see stuff raw and trial and error. So we've got the input here. I've got fresh from confirming the title and release date of the new album Willow and shared a brand new song Lipstick, and then the subject line it's written as this. So these are my inputs, and what I'm doing, I'm going on music websites here and I'm taking out some paragraphs and I'm feeding them in. I'm just going to delete this one here. I've got my stop sequence, which is hash hash hash, and that's determined down here. So it will read the input, it will stop, and then it will generate the output. We want input, and we want the stop sequence after, and then I'm going to press generate to see what it does, basing off the data set already available. It's not a big data set, really. It needs to be a bit better, but we'll see. The temperature before I did this video was up to about 0.8, but it was a bit too chaotic, so I've turned it down a little bit, so we'll see what happens. So it's quite nice. The input is about Bring Me Horizon, they're making new music, tease several snippets in their latest episode of Post-Human Video Tour Series. So the subject line for this, Bring Me Horizon tease new music in a new video series. I think that's quite accurate. Let's just try some more. I'm doing this completely random. I don't know what this is about. Let's have a look. I think the key to a good data set is to make sure the paragraph includes the actual subject you're talking about. So this is about music. So band names are essential. Let's have a look. Who this is about for a start. Pierce the veil. Let's do this. I have no idea if this will work. And then we'll go to the input. Oops. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add this all into the same sentence, so just so it doesn't get confused. And then we'll add in a shush hash, and then we'll generate and we'll see what it does. So what is the input for a start? So Pierce the Veil have announced details of a brand new album, Jaws of Life. So that's a nice bit of data here for it to understand. The follow-up to 2016 Misadventures is out February the 10th via Fearless. GPT-J won't understand this is February the 10th, 2023, I assume. Where we do as humans, we can determine that. I'll be intrigued to see if it puts in any dates or if it just guesses. If it guesses, we need to obviously put in a date like here. But we'll just generate this for now and see what happens. I mean, that's nice. Pierce the Veil announced new album, Jaws of Life. So it's got the correct band name and it's understood Jaws of Life is their new album name. So I'm quite happy with that. If I was sending an email marketing for Jaws of Life, not Jaws of Life for Pierce the Veil, I'd probably write something like this. It's very human sounding. I'll just do another one and then I'll end the video because, same old stuff really. If we do hash hash hash, and then let's do another random. Let's do Stranger Things. Let's see if it can understand the difference between music and film. It's be useful, then like you can do multiple stuff with it. So let's just generate. So Stranger Things Day has picked up this. The Duffer Brothers celebrate the release of Stranger Things Season 5. I think that is correct. The 5th and final season. So it's understood 5th, and it's generated as 5, which is nice, and is in the right context. It's maybe a little bit long, but that's no issue. You can just turn this down on output tokens. But all in all, it's a good result and it's accurate. So yeah, I'll end the video here. Let me know if you've got any questions, and if you like this kind of content, I'm going to try and do a bit more regularly. Just subscribe. Yeah, it'd be great. Cheers.